everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for the Claude app step by step. First, download the Claude app from the official app store for your device or open the Claude website or in your browser. Once the app is installed, open it and then tap on sign in. Next, make sure you use a valid email because you need to verify it. You can also sign up using Google, Apple, or other supported accounts if available. After that, if you're using it with the email, go ahead and check your email inbox and click on the verification link sent by Claude. Once verified, open the app and complete any additional profile steps such as entering your name. That's it.